Welcome back to Beck. Well, today we're gonna do a little exhaust work. Here we go. Yay. Alright, so basically I go from there to there, which that end, you can see the pipe versus the other end with this in between. So that front one needs to be 18 or less. Total of about 30 inches. Yeah, 12. Alright, going to modify the pieces I got and weld it all together in one section. Just put a clamp at the front and the back. Put it in the vise here and weld it up, make it easier. And then hopefully be done. Here we go. Since I want to make a straight cut, I've always had good luck using tape to go around. And then you can just follow that. We're going to wing this one. I need to get its edges rolled in just a little bit so it won't fit over the pipe. So I just need to take off just a little bit. See, not so bad. There we go. I'll end up cutting this off back here somewhere. And then this will adapt to the old pipe with the O2 sensor. I'll weld that together. O2 sensor, then I got a flex piece. So I just need to put these together. Which are a real tight fit, so I'm probably going to clean this up real well. And once that's together, that'll be back there. And the front part that I just mocked up. Yeah, I'll weld this all together. So I need 2 clamps. Phone battery died. Alright, let me start. I am not a welder. So, here's what we got. So that will slide over the front pipe, and you got the adapter welded. There's your O2 sensor back in. I've got a bracket for a hanger. There's a rubber hanger up there. It's going to bolt to that. And then weld it into this flex piece here. So, like I say, I'm not a welder, but it's just exhaust, no biggie. Okay. There we go. All right. Alright, so I'll plug the O2 sensor in and give it a shot. Gotta fasten that up with a zip tie or something. I thought I could use those holes through that piece there, but I'm just gonna use what I got. I'll pull it this way to get away from the drive shaft. just pulling the exhaust, the muffler. Oh well. Well, that's it. Fixed good enough for now. Well, hit thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.